They're a business, they gotta do what they gotta do. But one thing that I'm not happy about is the fact that they made the Bixby and power button the same key.
What?
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
Goatee is super long, super duper long. But what's up, y'all? Just doing something a little bit different here. Just a little vlog really quickly here. Just got done shooting the Galaxy J3 Orbit first impression video as far as it having Android 9 Pie. In case you guys didn't know, that device just recently got updated. Actually, another one of my prepaid devices got updated, the Moto G6 Play. So right now, just trying to bear with the little bit of heat that we are experiencing here. It's currently midday right now. It's not the hottest that it's going to be. Got to take advantage of that thing while you can, because it will be over 90 degrees today. That's why a lot of my times you see my videos where it's like a little doom or gloomy in the background because it's super cloudy. And yeah, I'm not going to be out here directly in the sun a lot of the times recording videos. So just want to give you guys that real quick. Annoying trucks, don't worry about them. Got that video out the way. Going to be editing it probably later on today. Since I'm doing these little vlogs here, I'm probably going to start doing vlogs whenever I'm actually editing videos, just to give you guys something in between, because videos that take me a good amount of time to edit like that, I want to make sure that everything is right and you know everything is perfect before I actually just put it out there. So here's a quick little sample. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section, go ahead and let me know. What do you think is this? Well, what do you think the video is technically about? Or what do you think the actual topic of the video is? You know, if I'm bringing out that phone, it has to be something good, right? So yeah, I'm taking a little bit of break. I've probably been editing for about 3 to 4 hours right about now, and I probably got like another hour or two to go. And so 3 videos in total. Now you guys know how my videos are. Sometimes they might be long, sometimes they might be short. It just all depends on what I actually feel like doing. In this case here, I'm doing some B-roll, so you know those videos take a little bit longer to do, but trust me, they are going to be pretty good, pretty fire. Checking my car, in case you guys didn't know, I am pushing a Mazda 6. It's got some tires on it recently, so had to get that tread back popping. You can see it's a beautiful sunny day, Carolina. The iPhone camera is really good, y'all. Catching that sky really well. So one thing I'm going to go ahead and mention here in the vlog, because I'm not really going to talk about it in the video here, is the fact that I got a case for the A10e here, and it looks pretty good. Nice texture on it. See that camera in the back, looks really good. All the cutouts are perfect. See that USB Type-C charging port, speaker, headphone jack, all cutouts are perfect there. Can't really get that to focus because of the sun, but whatever, looks pretty good. And you know, the buttons is working perfectly fine. Case was $5. Screen protector that I got is tempered glass, $5 as well. So in total it was about $9.98. Got here in 2 days thanks to Amazon Prime. If you want to join Amazon Prime, link will be in the description. It's a free trial. Check it out if you want to. So what's up, everybody? Again, just giving y'all a quick little update. Back in the car again on the passenger side. I'm about to get ready to watch this MKBHD first impression of the Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. So see you guys in a second. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out with this one here. So after watching the first impressions of the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus from MKBHD, I gotta say that the phone itself looks beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. That crazy super rainbow color one, that don't look crazy. It's absolutely gorgeous. That's one thing I cannot front on. Another thing that I want to mention is that Samsung seems to me they're taking a page out of Apple's book. They're coming up with the Plus model, or the Pro model, Plus model, and what they're doing is they're putting a bigger screen on the Plus model. They're adding more RAM, they're adding more storage, they got a bigger battery, more sensors for the cameras, things like that is going to be on the Plus model, while the regular Note 10 isn't going to have any of that. It's going to have, I think, the same cameras, but just not the same exact sensors, a smaller battery, less RAM, less internal storage, things like that. And another thing to mention is that it's not going to have the micro SD card slot. The Plus model is going to have the micro SD card slot. So between that, I would say, you know, Samsung, they're a business, they gotta do what they gotta do. But one thing that I'm not happy about is the fact that they made the Bixby and power button the same key.
What?
And that you cannot power off a phone unless you swipe down from the notification panel and hit the screen off, or the button for the screen to go off, or a button to actually power the screen off. Now, as MKBHD mentioned in the video, he's not sure if you can actually remap the button, which I'm not sure if you can. I'm pretty sure Samsung would give you that feature, but if they don't, that's kind of messed up, man. You don't do that, bro. You don't do that. This is going to be the end of this vlog here. I'm going to go in the house and finish editing the videos that I have to edit. I think I got 1 or 2 more left. So leave a comment section. Do you guys like these videos here? I think I'm gonna go ahead and start doing vlogs in between me doing editing. It's very rare that a video that I edit, I drop it the same day. So in this case here, with this being a vlog, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this here today, being Wednesday, August the 7th, I believe. So you guys should be seeing this here later on tonight. Let me know in the comment section, do you actually like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10? Do you think it looked pretty good? Would you prefer the Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus? Are you willing to drop that bread? Let me know in the comment section below, but be sure to share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Maxarock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.
Dirty strap.